So you want to reference another sheet in a Google Sheet. So we have 2023 sales, 2024 sales, 2025 sales, and we want to create a little dashboard that shows all of these next to each other. We need to first put an equal sign and then sum up something. If this single reference, meaning it existed on just here, we would only need to look at one cell, but we have all of these sales here, so we just need to sum up B2 all the way down to B19, or all of the B column over on this dashboard. We can type this out, or we could just hit the equal sign and then go to 2023 and select the cells we want to see. And now we see in quotes, it says 2023 sales, then an exclamation point, and then the range. And all we have to do is wrap sum around this. So that's one way, but we could also type this out. We could do equals sum 2024 space sales, exclamation point, B2. But you see, this isn't changing into a reference. That might be because there is a space here. So in cases where there's a sheet with a space in it, we need to put a single quote around the name of the sheet. And now you can see that it turned into a color, and we know that is actually a reference to another range in a sheet. And so we can take the same thing, copy and paste it, and just change the 4 to a 5 for 2025. That only works because the 2025 sheet has sales here, and the 2024 sales are also in the B column. If, say, we had to change this, it's in the C column, our dashboard, we would have to make sure that it's referencing the C column here for 2025. So that's something to look out for in your Google Sheets as you start to reference other sheets inside of your spreadsheets. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.